Hello and welcome to Lucent IS. Lucent IS লগে আপোনাক স্বাগতম। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টিত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম APSC sample prep question paper যিখন 3 জুলাইত আপলোড কৰিছিল APSC তাৰে question number 1 ৰ পৰা question number 20 লৈকে। যোৱাকালি প্ৰথমটো ভিডিঅ' অলৰেডি আপলোড কৰা হৈছে। প্ৰথম 7টা question আজি পুনৰ ৰিভিজনৰ কাৰণে ডিসকাস কৰা হ'ব। আহক আমি আৰম্ভ কৰো। So, এটো হ'ল ফাৰ্স্ট question যে consider the following pairs international events and countries. Colorful revolution ক'ত হৈছিলে? Colorful revolution আপোনাৰ সিংগাপুৰত হোৱা নাছিলে এটো। Then umbrella revolution ইজিপ্তত হোৱা নাছিলে এটো হংকংত হৈছিলে। But velvet revolution yes আৰ্মেনিয়াত হৈছিলে। Hence correct option is option B3 only. Next to আছিলে Estrosine recently seen news কি হয়? আপোনালোকে স্লাইডত দেখি আছে PIB 2018 ৰ 2 আগষ্টত আপলোড কৰিছিল। ISRO has successfully developed Estrosine which is a rocket grade version of kerosene as an alternative to conventional hydrogen rocket fuel. Hence correct option is option A eco-friendly kerosene based rocket fuel. Next question number 3 with reference to the cool coalition sometimes in the news consider the following statements. It is a global effort led by UN Environment. Yes, that is correct. Right side apun dekhi ase etu UN Environment website or screenshot that likha ase in support of climate action cool coalition partners announce huge push of on efficient climate friendly cooling. Second option dekhi ase it aims to inspire ambition and accelerate action on the transition of clean and efficient cooling. Hoy etu correct hoy. Hence correct answer is option C both 1 and 2. Right, next to all, which of the following events in Indian history happened the earliest? Emergence of Sultanate of Golconda, that is Qutub Shahi dynasty ketia hoisile 1518 ত Conquest of Goa by Portuguese ketia hoisile dekhi ase right side screen ত 25 November. Establishment of Bahmani kingdom ketia hoisile Babur Sultanate, that is in 1347. Last of all, establishment of Mughal empire by Babur, that is in 1526. Hence correct option is option C establishment of Bahmani kingdom. Next to all, Humayun Khan visited during the reign of which of the following rulers? Tinijon science level is very important in Indian history. Fahian 399 AD, Humayun Khan 629 AD, and I King 676 AD. Fahian Gupta Hamad Aisle and Humayun Khan Harsa Hamad Aisle. Hence, correct option is option A Harsa. Next question is question 6. With reference to British Indian history, William Adams' report in 1830s was related to William Adams and Christian missionary asle. Jack Lord William Benedict X. Daitto disle survey karne education in Bengal and Bihar. Hence correct option is option B progress of education in the local school of Bengal region. Next question 7 consider following statements regarding Himalayas. Himalayas are parallel ranges which have emerged in 3 phases. Yes, that is correct. Tinta phase ki hoisile first to greater Himalaya, second to lesser Himalaya, and third is Shivaliks. Tinta phase tinta range form hoisile. Hence option 1 is correct. Hence option C hobo nware. Here that 1 to 9. Next is main frontal thrust separates the Himalayas from Tibetan plateau. No, that is wrong. Main frontal thrust main central thrust zone hitwe greater Himalaya and lesser Himalaya separate kore, but Tibetan logot Himalaya separate kore Indus Sangpo Salsar zone ITSZ. Eta amar class amar Lucent geography class এখন slide hoy tar por ami ekhine bostu gom paichu. Hence option 2 correct hobo nware. Hence option C and D is not correct. A or B কোনটা হ'ব now I have last option to চাও Indus is the only antecedent river in the Himalayas নহয় হেতু Indus এর বাহিরে বেলেগ antecedent river Himalayas আছে. Hence option A is correct 1 only. Question number 8 Puducherry enclaves lie in which of the following states? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Puducherry and Karaikal have the largest areas in population and both enclaves of Tamil Nadu. Hence 1 থাকিব লাগিব. Hence option B and D hobo nware. Next all Yanam and Mahir enclaves of Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Hence 2 and 3 থাকিব লাগিব. Hence correct option is option C 1, 2 and 3. Question number 9 the phrase unity and integrity is mentioned under which of the following part of the Indian Constitution? 1 DPSP, 2 fundamental duties, and 3 preamble. Select the correct answers using the code given below. Your answer কি হ'ব? Yes, preamble আছে দেখিছে preamble last sentence আছে fraternity assuring dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. And next fundamental duty that is article 51A third point is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Hence option B 2 and 3 are correct. Next, question number 10. Which of the following can be considered as legal entities? Union of India, Hindu temple deity, and public sector undertakings. Actually considered last 2-3 years of news as a legal entity because New Zealand legal entity dia hoisile. Then last year Uttarakhand High Court all United Kingdom of legal entity dise, and as per Indian legal system, DT Hindu temple deity ko legal entity hisabe dhora hoy. Hence option 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Question number 11. Which of the following proposed the dominion status of India? Yes, August offer it correct hoy. It was in 1940 August offer dominion status disile. Nehru protest koi koisile the dominion status concept is dead as the doornail. Then Cripps proposal, yes, tara dominion status to koisile that Gandhi koisile post that check boli ghura pothaisile. Then Nehru report, yes, in 1920 Nehru report that India dominion status to demand korisile. Hence option 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Next is with reference to civil service in India, consider following statements. According to the Constitution, the members of civil services of the Centre and the All India services hold office during the period of the President. Yes, as per Article 310, that is correct. And second option, the Constitution provides that a civil servant cannot be dismissed or removed except after an inquiry in which he has been given an opportunity of being heard. This comes from Article 311, clause 2. Yes, that is also correct. Hence, correct option is option C, both 1 and 2. Next, question number 13. Which of the following is correct with reference to North-Eastern Council? It is a constitutional body. No, it is not a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. Hence, option 1 is wrong. Hence, option A and option D cannot be correct. Either B and C. C to care as the Indian Home Minister acts as ex-officio chairman of NSC. Yes, that is definitely correct. Number 2 to hold that the governor and chief minister of all the North-Eastern states are its member. Yes, that is correct. Include North-East Council of Formation jikhini bostu ase. It started in 1972. Governors and chief ministers of the 8 states are its members. Hence, correct option is option C, 2 and 3 only. Now, question number 14. An increase in tax expenditure in the economy made it. Now, I am going to tax expenditure ki hoy. Tax expenditure corresponds to relaxations given when tax burden becomes difficult for the sustainability of particular sector. Hence, tax exemptions or incentives ki boli koy tax expenditure. That means due to tax expenditure যেতিয়া কমি যাব মানুহৰ তেতিয়া disposable income বাঢ়ি যাব. Hence, correct option is option C, increase in personal disposable income. Next, question number 15. Which of the following measures cannot be used to reduce inflation? Inflation is controlled by monetary policy, right? And monetary policy can use CRR, cash reserve ratio, SLR, liquid ratio, repo rate, and reverse repo rate. Hence, option A, B, and D are correct. C, which is a fiscal policy. Reducing fiscal deficit is a fiscal policy that is not used to reduce inflation. Hence, option C is not correct. Here, option 15 answer C over. Next, question number 16. Which of the following statements is correct with reference to SEBI and RBI? RBI is a statutory authority while SEBI is non-statutory authority. No, SEBI is also a statutory authority. Right side apni dekha hoise SEBI website par ami screenshot loisu. Hence 1 is definitely wrong. So A and B hobo nware. Hence 2 correct hobo. Eta ami option 3 to sabo lagibo. 2 is what? Commercial banks are regulated by RBI while securities markets are regulated by SEBI. That is correct. Both SEBI and RBI can have regulatory jurisdiction over non-banking financial companies. Hence, here the multiplicity of regulation of NBFC can be confusing. That means RBI and SEBI duita NBFC report jurisdiction ase. Hence, option 3 is also correct. And option D, 2 and 3 only. 16 answer D. Number 17. Which of the following base describes the global forest watch? Keyword. Right screenshot apun dekhi ase GAW. Sir, protek bochor UPSC 6-7 ta enuka question thake environment organization upor. APSC jehetu nijor sample par ekhi bostu include korise. Ami etiar pora environmental international organization janake UNFCCC, then CBD, then gute khini sabo lagibo, UNEP ebur sabo lagibo, bhalke poribo lagibo. A2 correct answer option B. It is a dynamic online forest monitoring and alert system that empowers people everywhere to better management of forest. Next is question number 18. Which of the following is correct with reference to Kaziranga National Park? It is located on the Eastern Himalayan Biodiversity Hotspot. Yes, that is correct. Option 1 is correct. Option 2, it is recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Yes, it UNESCO World Heritage Site হিসাবে recognize করা হয়েছে. Next, important bird, actually অকন ইয়াত প্ৰিন্টিং হৈছে এটা হৈছে important bird area হ'ব লাগে, IBA বুলি কয়. Yes, BirdLife International Kaziranga important bird area by IBA হিসাবে declare কৰিছিলে. Yes, option D, 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Now, consider the following statements regarding International Fund for Animal Welfare. It is a global fund under the aegis of World Wildlife Fund, that is WWF. No, that is not correct. Next is, it is one of the members of the International Union of Conservation of Nature, IUCN. তলৰ স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট দেখি আছে May 9, 2018 যেতিয়া IUCN মেম্বাৰ হিচাপে IFAW ইনক্লুড কৰা হৈছিলে. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option B, 2 only.